Pure for the win, nigga. I gotta be smooth though, man, because they be hella 12 over her, boy. Y'all can see me in the shitty, bro. I'm finna scratch this bitch real quick. I'm finna scratch it. Watch this. I'm finna scratch out. They're like long as hell. I seen 12 over there, but I guess not.
Oh, yeah? I see you.
Yeah.
They stole my shit. They stole my SXT. We're in stage 2.
Oh, nah, that shit lame.
Be safe, man.
Ah, you too. SXT. What a stage 2. I don't know stage 2 what. Say I'm cutting up slightly. Shit, slightly. Damn, I think that was a track too. I think that was definitely a track. That red, sexy as hell. Y'all, like I said, make sure y'all keep like, subscribing, commenting. Give me the 10K by the end of this year. I promise y'all I'm bringing a Jeep to the channel, bro. And I'm gonna keep the Chrysler. But y'all gotta run up 10K subs. And I promise y'all I'm gonna bring a SRT, a Jeep to the channel, bro. I got y'all. Probably like a 2018, 2019. And y'all know I'm gonna mod that bitch out too, so y'all make sure y'all keep like, subscribing, commenting for me. I'm finna scratch off though. Hopefully shit ain't 12 around. Hopefully if 12 ain't around, I'll get a little active for y'all. helicopter in there? I swear I have to check. Niggas be having their brights on, bro. Having their brights on. The sun just... I'm finna go ahead and close out this video real quick. Yeah, go ahead and get on. Yeah, I'm gonna close this motherfucking video out over here real quick. Hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Slight little video. I'm finna get back on my YouTube brand. I know I've been gone for too long. 11 days, 12 days, I think the last time that I posted. That's unacceptable. So we gonna make sure we don't do that shit no more. And yeah, y'all, I remember when they used to start off like car meets and shit, man. As y'all can see all these donuts. Hold on, let me get out and close this video out, man. As y'all can see, let me get out and close this video out. Let me get out and close this video out real quick. Well, yeah, man, that's the whip. Well, give y'all another walk around while it's in the light. My bad for the glares. I need to get the lens hood. So that's gonna be next on my list. I see, cause I'ma need it. I'ma need it to stop the glare from the light. But y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Hold on, let me change the set. Tone that down a little bit. Tone that down a little bit. Give y'all one last walkthrough of the car. Like I said, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna try to deliver that content for y'all, and give y'all one last walk around of the 300. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Like I said, get y'all as much content as possible. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as possible and stop lollygagging. Like I said, those do come in Monday. And then for the last thing, for the front end, all I gotta do is order a new headlight. So if I showed y'all pictures of this car how it looked a couple months ago, it was all banged up in the front. It had the old front end. And then for all my new subscribers, this is the 2013 all-wheel drive 5.7. So with the newer front end, you can, for everybody, it is an easy install with the whole front end. You just gotta grab a few things. Leave a comment down below if y'all need help with it, because like I said, it's not hard. So you know, let me know, comment down below, and I'll help y'all out with that, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.